Hey everyone, welcome back to English Guru, where English becomes easy and fun. Ready to rewire your mind for fluent English? Let's get started. Your brain isn't used to thinking in English. That's why you translate before speaking, get stuck searching for words, and lose confidence. Let's start with listening. Your brain must hear English a lot, the right way. Listen actively and use short videos or podcasts. Now comes the fun part, speaking. Practice daily with mirror exercises, self-talk, and voice recording apps. Fluent speakers think in English. Start small with words and phrases, then work your way to full thoughts. Here's a simple daily plan: 10 minutes listening, 5 minutes shadowing, and 5 minutes mirror speaking. Bonus tips include changing your phone to English, labeling things, and joining English speaking groups. Be consistent. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.